In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable universal switch on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in settings, scroll down, go in accessibility, go in interaction. Here you will find the universal switch, tap on it. Now to enable the universal switch, tap on this toggle, tap on add switch. It is saying two options. I will select any random. I have set up all of these options. Now I will simply go back again. Now again I will tap on this toggle to enable the universal switch. Tap on assign. I will simply assign this. Again I will tap on this toggle to enable the universal switch. It is saying to turn off palm swipe to capture. So I will simply tap on turn off. As you can see, universal switch is enabled. Now to disable the universal switch, again tap on this toggle to disable the universal switch. So this is how you can enable and disable universal switch on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.